Sino yung kasama nating visitor? Uy, si Pagong pa!
May pag-asa na ba? Na baka ang puso ko'y makabigan? Dahil sa langit ang ganda niya kaaminin. Kanyang tunay na pag-ibig.
Feeling ko may nanalo na ito na. Yung nanalo talaga. Yan na. Grabe, lupit-lupit. Wow! Ron, sige mo.
Sa tingin ko, talaga wala nang tatalo dyan.
Wala nang tatalo dito.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday ka.
Okay, we're now here. We got Bala here, Early Bird, and Alvin. Ate Glenda's here. And Liza and Hopi. Hi! Another camper, Omar. Pangalawa, Joey. Oh, family. Hi! Hi kids! How are you?
Hello, Tito Raj.
Are you excited for the camping?
What?
Are you excited? Bro,
Maraming tubig.
marami.
Hindi pa. Hindi pa lang.
Hindi ko alam.
Wala pa.
Rupo!
Hello.
You excited?
Yes.
Okay, good. We're here. Ano, excited na?
Oo naman.
Oh, benta na. Sino to? Si Abby? Hello, Abby. Ready na. Ayan na. Dumadami na kami. Oh, grabe to. Punong-puno. Okay, nagawa ng paraan. Ayan na yung tent ni Omar. Okay, let's go. Move here. Okay. Full?
Cool.
This one also. Oh. Check. Oh, fully loaded. Sino yung kasama nating visitor? Uy, si Pagong pa! Hello! Pagong pa! Yan, kasama namin. Dala ni Claire.
Laki ka ni Pongpong.
Finally, after our fun-filled journey, we've arrived here at the breathtaking Hamim Beach in Abu Dhabi. Look at this place, God's masterpiece on full display. The sun is shining, the waves are gently crashing, and the cool breeze is already setting the perfect tone for this unforgettable church camping experience. It's time to unpack not just our bags, but our hearts too. Ito na po ang ating Balbacua by Kuya Eric. Woohoo! Ito ang setup natin. Feeling ko may nanalo na. Ito na yung nanalo. Yan na. Grabe, lupit nung tent. Wow! Ron, sige mo.
Sa tingin ko, talaga wala nang tatalo dyan.
Wala nang tatalo dito. Grabe. Alright, here we have Rupa and Omar doing the grilling. So this is shrimp. The grill is sizzling, the aroma is irresistible, and the feast is about to begin. Juicy meats and laughter all around. This is more than just a food. It's a moment to share and savor. Let's dig in and make memories.
The first person who picks the word, we're gonna give you a clue. Familiarize now with your group mates. Familiarize with your group mates, huh? Okay. When you strategize, first person will be the first person who will make the action. And then you have to pass it behind.
May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y makabigan? Nahiwanan sa langit ang kanya kaalinig, kanyang tunay na pag-ibig.
Number 1.
Wait.
It's still moving.
Okay.
Okay, first action. Okay, what's your action? It's the same? Okay, what's your action? It's the same also.
Stargazing!
Telescope!
Stargazing!
Forward! Stargazing! Stargazing!
Happy birthday to you.
This is one of the highlights of our yearly tradition, our much-awaited annual camping feast. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without Kuya Robert's famous street food. It's the ultimate treat we all look forward to every year. From the perfectly fried fish balls, to the crispy squid balls, the savory kikiam, and of course, the crowd favorite, hot dogs. It's a spread that brings us together. The sizzling sound, the mouth-watering aroma, and the joy of dipping into the sweet and spicy sauce. This moment is what memories are made of. And it's not just about food. It's about the laughter, the stories, and the traditions we keep alive. This is what makes our annual camping unforgettable. May mga kids, gumagala na sila. Si Lale, Ate Malu, ayan. Naginip na sila ng tubig for the coffee. Good morning, Sada.
Good morning.
So here's the whole campsite during morning.
Di mo lang ma-differentiate kung ano yung utos at ang hilig.
Good morning from Hamim Beach. Ganda pala dito. Long stretch ng shore. Sobrang layo. Yun. Lamig. Buong gabi. Sobrang lamig. Ganda. Sunrise. So, ganito kaganda dito. Sobrang dami nagpupunta just to camp. May mga seagulls na rin kasi winter. Ganda ng ano dito, sunrise. Although yung sunrise niya, nandun siya nakapwesto. Wala siya dito sa may seaside. Ang ganda ng stretch. Super layo. Doon kami galing. Sobrang layo. Mga 5 kilometers. Sobrang layo dito, grabe. Chef, ano kamusta na?
Mushroom soup.
Cream of mushroom soup.
Request ni Sis Debbie.
Ginisang garlic daw to eh. Ginisang garlic. Good morning, my wife. What are you doing? Ihi ka? Alright. Morning, Gab. Good morning, Bala. What do you plan to do?
Brush my teeth, bro.
Alright, good job. Yungki, mahal. Ano na? Nakain ka ng yungki, mahal. Kinakain mo dyan. Ah, okay. May ano pala, no? May bato na pala dito, no? Bato na. Makain na sila. Si Henry, nag-setup na siya. Fishing rod niya. Ayan. Dami nag-fishing dito. Tingnan niya. O, diba? Super dami. Kasi Henry. So, imagine mo, kahapon nandito yan, yung tubig. Bumaba siya. Yung buong gabi. Hanggang ngayon. So, mamaya babalik yan dito. Yung mga hapon pa yung babalik.
The onion.
Oh, yeah. So you know it.
Yeah.
Omar is sitting. What's that, Omar?
Kopya Mongo.
Kopya Mongo. Alright. Si Iman, nag-ano ulit. Nagwawash siya sa dagat. Yan. Pero walang dishwashing yan. Good morning, Hopi. Good morning. Hi. Did you sleep well? Oh. Come on, Hopi. Come on, let's play. Come. Ito yung bisita namin. Oh. Ayun, oh. Ito, dito siya naka-tent. Si Pagong pa. Wow! Ito yung buong camp namin. 8 yung cars and yung tent natin. Bilangin natin. Okay? Start tayo dito sa isang Quechua. Ito, super laki nito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 tents. Ang laking camp nito. Ayan, si Madam Bona. Pakita ko sa inyo kung nasan kami and kung gaano kaganda tong pwesto na to. Ito. Ayan. Pag nandito ka, hindi mo nakikita dito. Pero pag zoom in mo, yan. Yan na yung buong Abu Dhabi. Kita mo. Sa gabi, mas ma-appreciate nito eh. Yan. Yan. Beam Island. Buong stretch siya ng Abu Dhabi. Yan.
For my good, for my good, it's all working. For my good, for my good.
You know, we may fail. I'm sure many of us, we have taken, new resolutions, new challenges to do things like that. We may forget, but God never forgets what we are, taking a promise in God. God remembers you. So I want to actually encourage you in 2025 at two things.
Time check, 10:07. Break camp tayo. Kailangan by 11 o'clock. Break lahat to. So, ayan. Be-break na. Starting. Simula na rin ako dito. Ayan. Nag-start na lahat to break the camp. Okay. So, yung camping natin went well naman. Naging maayos yung camp.
Nice!
Wala naging problema. Hindi umulan. So, maganda yung weather din. So, enjoy naman lahat.
I lost it all. He returned it 100-fold, 'cause I held on to his promise. If you wonder what the future holds, if it will get better, just rest.
Nice lang ating camp. Clean. Clear. Okay. Parang walang pumunta eh. Diba? Alright. Malinis na siya. Last straw na lang ng basura. Woo! Bro, salamat! Next time! Bye-bye! Salamat! Salamat! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! See you next time! Ate Shi, next time ulit! Next time! Kyle! Ken! Ano ba? Next time ba ulit? Babalik ka ba dito? Next year? Eric, grabe oh. Bye, Kai. Next time. Bye, guys. Okay, Robert. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye, Josh. Bye-bye. Next time. Bye, guys. Till next time, till next year. Grabe, apat kayo dyan. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. See you soon. Okay, see you. Okay, guys. Salamat. Bye, Bon. Sana mga kids. Sa mga kids. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Ingat kayo. Bye-bye. Jel, bye-bye. Okay. Dan camping. Long stretch ng Amin Beach. Salamat.
Pulling me back to you. It keeps pulling me back. It keeps pulling me back to you. It keeps pulling me back. It keeps pulling me back to you. It keeps pulling me back. It keeps pulling me back. It's your love, love. It's your love. Like a sunrise rising, you're always there, always shining, building me up with the song it's singing.